How to add logo in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add logos. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, simply search for logo. So it will pop up in the top. Now here you'll be able to see different templates available. Now here you can scroll and choose the one that you like. Here I've selected one. Now it's getting entered in the editing interface. So here I'm in. Now you can see this replace button. Simply tap on replace. Now you can choose your own logo or your photo that you want to keep here. So here I'm selecting this image for an example. So as you can see, it automatically skips the background and enables it. So here you can enter and you can edit it however you like. So this is how you add logos in this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.